Hey, good day to everyone. I have a very interesting announcement to make. On the 24th of July, 7:30 p.m., I will be making a presentation on what is financial independence and early retirement. So you can actually have a live session with me on that date. Okay, what will I be talking about? I'll be talking about how to achieve financial independence and retire early. Okay, we will begin with a discussion on the motivation to reach financial independence. Why is this so important now at this point of time in the economy? I'll then talk about what are the steps needed to attain FIRE, and we'll have a discussion on how to invest for financial independence, which is a very lively topic on this YouTube channel, right? And naturally, we will also discuss how much funds you need in order to attain financial independence, and subsequently, how much you need to retire early before we conclude the presentation. All right. So the good thing about this YouTube channel is that it has a very small and loyal following. So you can comment below if there are any points you want to discuss for the event, and I might actually be able to accommodate you by making some amendments to the slides. All right, so this is going to be a very two-way kind of interaction even before we start the webinar. All right, and you can link to the event. It's actually placed below. All right, so that's all I have to say for this week. I'm conducting a program. But next week, we will go back to our ordinary 3 videos a week process. All right, that's all. Thank you very much.